Ladies and gentlemen, Irene Wilkins here, founder of Achievet Business Solutions, and I'm in your business. Ladies and gents, Irene Wilkins here, your solutionist, founder and owner of Achievet Business Solutions. And today I'm in your business. We are going to talk about the child tax credit that is coming up tomorrow, July 15th. And for those of you just tuning in for the first time, I thank you tremendously. Please like and subscribe to this video and subscribe to the channel. We have so many things available on this channel, from tax advice to business owners, helping them to expand their business, what to look out for, how to file their taxes, and then also for your career. So if you are looking to change your career, how do you interview, things like that. That's what this channel is all about. We have a one-stop shop solutions company that encompasses all of the things that we talk about on this channel. And for those of you who have been in tune since we started 6 weeks ago, I thank you. We have grown exponentially. Super excited to continue this journey with you guys. So let's talk about it today. The child tax credit. Let's get right into it. For those of you who have some confusion about this credit, this is not a new credit. This is something that has been around. About 29 million families get it per year. And the only difference between now and previous years is that this is the first time this credit is available as an advance. Yes, it is an advance, meaning when you file your taxes next year, if you decide to get this credit for the next 5 months that it's available, then it will be deducted from your taxes when you file sometime late January or February, depending when the filing starts. This credit is available for children who are 6 and over. It is $1,500 total for the months of July to December, and 6 or under 6, I should say, it is going to be $1,800. So the breakdown of that would be over 6 is $250 a month. Under 6 is going to be $300 a month, available to you starting tomorrow. I wanted to talk to you guys about why you may want to opt out of this tax credit advancement. And I talked to some clients, on a regular basis, talked to tons over this last week, just asking, should we opt out? I really want the money now. And what I will say is, if you don't absolutely need the money right now, think about opting out, because it is going to cut your refund next year. So some of the reasons why you may want to opt out, if you're going to have a tax liability. So what that means is, let me give you an example. When most of you have applied for your jobs, you got hired, you did your onboarding paperwork, your I-9, there was exemptions that you could put on there. And if you are a family who usually gets the earned income credit or child tax credit, 9 times out of 10, your exemptions may have been higher. So when your exemptions are higher, you get less federal taxes and less taxes overall taken out of your paycheck. There are some people who can make like $30,000 a year and only get $500 taken out for federal withheld taxes, which when you have a W-2, it's box 2, and that money is refunded back to you. So the reality is, if you don't have a lot of taxes that you've had taken out, you are going to owe that during your filing for taxes. Most people don't see that. If they get earned income credit or child tax credit, it just gets deducted. They still get a refund, so they don't really worry about it. This year coming up, however, if you decided to get that money for the next 5 months, your child tax credit will be lowered, so you may end up owing if it does not cover your tax liability. So that's one thing to think about. If you are a family who, I'm just looking at my notes, guys. If you guys are a family who likes to take family vacations, pay off some bills, buy a car, put a down payment on a car, then you also may want to opt out of this child tax credit, because you will not be able to have that same amount. You're going to get half. If you're used to your child tax credit being $6,000, this year it will be half of that. Now they have upped the ante, if you will, on the amount. Normally it was $2,000 per child. This time it is $3,000. Again, 6 or over, $3,600 for under 6. But if you get the credit right now, you're only going to be getting $1,500. So these are definitely things that you would want to think about. And for those who actually end up owing, they know they end up owing for tax season, this is going to mean that you'll owe more. So it's something to think about. Some families do tax plan, and this may cause a disruption in your tax planning tactics. So that's also something that you want to take into consideration. And I really just wanted to point that out to the individuals who are a little confused about it or don't know if they should or shouldn't. If you want to opt out, you can go to irs.gov. You'll scroll down to where it says child tax credit, manage payments. You'll click on that little, it should be a blue button. You'll click on that, and then you'll have to go into how to identify yourself. If you got unemployment, you probably already have an account on how you can sign in, and you've already been identified. If you don't, I believe it's called like iMe or I am me. You can actually sign up and set up an account. There is some criteria. You'll have to have your driver's license. You'll have to take a selfie. They'll give you some codes for your phone that you have to put in. I do believe you have to be by like a tablet or a computer to be able to move forward in some aspects. I could be wrong about that, you guys, but you may need 2 devices in order to fully go through this. So that's just something to think about. But once you do that, you can opt out. It is too late for this first payment coming out tomorrow, but you have till August 2nd to opt out of the next payment. And once you opt out, you can't change your mind. So it'll be for the duration of the year or the remainder of the year. And you'll be able to get that as part of your refund for next year. I think that's it, guys. I really just wanted to briefly discuss that. If you have questions, I am generally really good at responding to the comments. If it's a comment about this video and you want more information or you have some questions, please feel free to reach out. I love positive affirmations and beneficial feedback. So if you guys have some feedback, let me know. And I just thank you for tuning in. I will be keeping you guys updated with so much more information. Our next video is going to be about PPP loans. Again, guys, I've had so many people ask me to update on what's going on, as well as letting you guys know some of the cases that have been coming out. So I definitely want to do that. If you want to follow me on social media, please feel free. It is Irene the Solutionist on Instagram or Achievet Business Solutions. and on Facebook, Irene Wilkins or Achievet Business Solutions. And I thank you guys. Have an amazing day. And remember, success doesn't just happen, we'll help you achieve it.